Hello, my fellow veterans. Sam Kim here, your Marine Corps veteran who battled the VA from 0 to 100%, mastering the AI claims process. Welcome back to VA Claims Bootcamp. Today, we're tackling a killer topic that sinks more claims than anything else: the circumstantial evidence death trap. Yeah, you heard that right. It's a trap that lures you with maybe evidence only to slam the door on your benefits. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to avoid it at all costs so you can build bulletproof claims that get approved fast. Let's break this down and arm yourself for victory. First off, what is a death trap? Circumstantial evidence is that weak, indirect stuff, like hinting at a service connection without hard proof. Think, I was stressed during deployment, so that's why I have PTSD now. Sounds logical, right? But the VA adjudicator, it's flimsy. No direct link, no documented event, no solid nexus. Result, denial city. You end up in the endless ping pong, going back and forth. VA requests more docs, you scramble for records, they deny again, appeal drags on for years. It's frustrating, time wasting, and soul crushing. I've seen veterans give up because of it. It feels like enough, but that's a death sentence for your claim. It's similar to filing an insurance claim after a minor fender bender. You wouldn't just tell your insurance company, yeah, I think I got rear-ended, trust me. No way, they want receipts, right? Receipts. You need receipts, my friend. Photos of the damage, police reports, witness statements, and repair estimates. Without that proof, your claim's gonna get denied or lowballed. The same applies to the VA. Bring the receipts, direct evidence, or risk having your benefits evaporate. Why avoid it at a cost? Because VA requires clear and direct evidence for service connection. Rely on circumstantial junk and you're playing Russian roulette with your benefits. But here's the good news. You can sidestep this trap entirely by focusing on the winning formula we talked about. In-service event plus diagnosis plus treatment history equals approval. In-service event, nexus plus diagnosis plus treatment history equals approval. Make every piece direct and ironclad. So how do you avoid it? Step 1, hunt for direct evidence like your life depends on it, because your rating does. Dig into your DD-214 service treatment records and deployment logs for documented events. Was the back injury from your training fall noted in the medical file? Boom, direct. Exposures to burn pits, if your location qualifies under a PAC tag, that's a presumptive direct link location. No nexus needed. Don't settle for I think it happened. Prove it with records or buddy statements. But what if your service treatment records are missing, or there's no in-service record for it at all? The prime circumstantial territory. Avoid a trap by getting lay witness testimony or veteran testimony to fill the void. Buddy statements from folks who serve with you can confirm the event. I saw so-and-so twist his knee on that patrol. Your veteran testimony, a detailed personal statement, lays out the facts. When, where, and how it happened. But don't stop there. Back it up with the complete formula. Nexus letter from a doc linking to your current condition, a solid diagnosis, history of treatment for the complaint you're claiming. Turn that maybe into unbreakable proof. Step 2, build a substantial nexus to connect the dots. If evidence is circumstantial, like unreported stress, layer in Pro Tools. Get a nexus letter from a doc saying, more likely than not, this PTSD stems from your service events. Add personal statements detailing specific who, what, when. Turn maybe into definitely with expert opinions and timelines. Step 3, audit ruthlessly before submitting. Use a checklist and audit worksheets from the module. Print it out, list your conditions, and check each against the formula. Does it have a solid in-service event? Diagnosis, treatment. If it's circumstantial heavy, flag and expand onto it. This audit sheet weeds out traps so you only find winners. No more denials, no yada yada document chases, just approvals. Let me hit you with an example. Trap, claiming migrants from general service stress. Circumstantial, no direct evidence. Denied. How to avoid it? Link it secondary to documented tinnitus with the nexus letter. Headaches aggravated by ringing per doc. Direct approval at 30%. Another, undocumented knee pain from patrols. Trap if vague. Avoid buddy statements confirming patrols, VA diagnosis, and treatment history of braces, medications. Turn the trap into triumph. Vets, this trap has derailed too many claims. Don't let it happen to you. Avoid circumstantial evidence like a plague. Hunt direct proof, build connections, and audit everything. You're not just claiming, you're commanding your benefits. Download that audit sheet right now, run your claims through it, and let's make them bulletproof. You've earned this. Stay in the fight. Hoorah. I'll see you in the next lesson.